Hello, my name is Thomas, and in this video I'm going to show you two easy methods to fix the issue of missing new Teams meeting icon in Outlook. Okay, so let me show you how. Okay, so here I have my Outlook open, and if I go to calendars, new Teams meeting icon is missing. So the first method is enabling the Teams meeting add-in in Outlook. Okay, so let's see how to do it. You can enable the add-ins by going to File, Options, Add-ins. And here you can see that Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in is disabled. It's under Inactive Application Add-ins. So we have to go ahead and enable it. So we can enable it by going to Go. And from here, you have to tick the option Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. Okay, so once you did that, click OK, and you can see that now we have new Teams meeting icon in my Outlook. Alright, so that's the first method. And what if you do not have the add-in not present in your Outlook? That is, if the Teams meeting add-in itself is not present in Outlook, how are we going to fix this? Okay, so let me show you how. Okay, so I'm going to File, Options, Add-ins. Okay, so now you can see that the Teams add-in is not present even under inactive application add-ins. So in this case, there's a simple trick to do it. There's a simple trick to get the add-in back to Outlook. Okay, so let me show you how. So we're going to close Outlook and we have to open Microsoft Teams. Okay, so I have Teams open. So what you have to do is you have to sign out from Microsoft Teams. Okay, so to sign out, you can click the profile picture at the top and select the option sign out. And once you're signed out from Microsoft Teams, you have to sign in back. Okay, so here I'm going to sign in back to Microsoft Teams. Alright, so Teams is open, and once it's open, click on the profile picture once again and go to settings. Ensure that this option is ticked. Okay, so once that is done, you can open Microsoft Outlook and we should have the Teams add-in enabled, and we should also have the new Teams meeting icon present in Outlook. Okay, and let me check if the add-in is enabled. Okay, you can see that Microsoft Teams meeting add-in is enabled. It's under active application add-ins. And let me go to calendars, and here you can see new Teams meeting icon is present. Easy, right? Alright, so that is how we do it, and let me know how it worked out for you guys by adding your comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.